Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to August 10th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
Today we're celebrating creativity and sustainability with a fun DIY recycling challenge. Step 1. Gather your recycled materials. Start by gathering all sorts of recyclable items around the house. Be sure to choose clean items that you can easily cut, glue, or fold. This is a great way to teach your child about recycling and reusing. Step 2. Choose what to build. Be sure to choose a project that matches the materials you've gathered. It's also a chance to let your child's imagination run wild and inspire their creativity. Step 3. Work together as a team. This process is not only fun, but also a great opportunity to teach kids about teamwork, patience, and problem solving. It's okay if things don't turn out perfect. This is all about learning and creativity. Step 4. Talk about sustainability. As you work, take a moment to talk about why recycling is important. Explain how reusing materials helps reduce waste and protects the environment. Step 5. Celebrate your creation. Give it a name or make a special label for it. Take a picture of your masterpiece and share it with your friends or family. Today's activity helps your family build a stronger connection with sustainability while nurturing creativity. By turning recyclable materials into new objects, you not only reduce waste, but also encourage a positive, environmentally responsible mindset. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.